But if you close your eyes.
Every once in a while, you'll finish typing your formula, sure that you did everything correctly, and then once you press enter, you get an error. The disappointment. So what are you to do in a situation like this? I'm going to give you a tip that will help immensely when you encounter errors. Errors can take many forms. You might see a divide by zero, a not applicable, or a reference error. Some may be a little self-explanatory, like the divide by zero error, but other errors are a bit more of a puzzle to figure out. Fortunately, Excel wants you to succeed, so it tries to help you out. If you go to the Formulas ribbon, you'll see an option that says Error Checking. If you click on this option, it will open a window that explains the error to you. Here's an example on my screen. I added a name to one of the lists of names we were using in the previous lecture, but I didn't add it to the range I'll be looking up the weight field from. When I dragged the VLOOKUP down to the new name, I get an error that says NA. Once I highlighted that cell and went to the Formulas ribbon, I clicked on the Check for Errors option. This then tells me that this is a value not available error. To the right of the Error Checking option in the Formulas ribbon, there's a drop-down that also contains a Trace Error option. If you click on this, it will give you some guidance as to the cells that are causing the error. This makes it much more clear to me that the cell that I have referenced, Riley, is not in the range of cells that I entered into the VLOOKUP. This option to trace errors will be very helpful, especially when you start to type more complex formulas and the errors become more unclear. Like anything, with troubleshooting formulas, practice makes perfect. Once you've seen an error many times, you'll just remember what it means. But until you get to that point, using Excel features to troubleshoot errors will be very helpful to you.
But if you close your eyes.